Barb Wells said to me that the applications were from a wide range of types of companies, with their current situations also varying greatly. There were many companies that were looking for the kind of help that this program could provide, and each was a wonderful candidate. Making that final decision was not at all easy. I was very impressed by all the applications we reviewed. So let's get to the heart of the announcement. We want to publicly thank all of the businesses that applied from the greater Denver area. As just mentioned, we had such a variety of companies in the realm of size, type of business, for-profit and not-for-profit. It made an amazing and intriguing judging session. I don't know if this first person came in when I wasn't looking, but if you want to go to the next slide, please. We had 2 runners-up, and it was Feldman Mortuary. Marcy Guerrero, did you make it here? Okay. Marcy is the office administrator at Feldman Mortuary, which is a family-owned firm that has been serving the greater Denver community for 74 years. We observe that Feldman is so entrenched in serving the community during those difficult times for families that they haven't taken as good a care of themselves at their business. The prizes that Feldman is receiving will help them move to the next level of taking on just doing that. The next one is Denver Public Schools Foundation. Kim, would you please come up here? I'm not going to embarrass you, really. Kim Martinez is the controller for DPS Foundation and is here today. It's yet another organization that benefits the Denver community, and DPS Foundation directly affects the well-being and growth of kids. With the enormous financial challenges faced by DPS and the current economy's ups and downs, hopefully it keeps going up now, DPS Foundation continues to forge ahead. The foundation will benefit from the runner-up solutions, which includes a technology roadmap plan. So we'd like to present just a little representative thing to you. And, oh, this, okay. Can you just say a few quick words? I know I'm putting you on the spot, but I warned you.
Thank you so very much. I just wanted to say thank you to Phil and Debbie for coming out to our office and giving us an assessment. We definitely appreciate it. As a not-for-profit, we do struggle making sure that we take care of ourselves. Sometimes the not-for-profit world tends to think it doesn't deserve the same equities that for-profit companies deserve. So we just wanted to say thank you so very much. We truly appreciate it.
And now for the grand prize winner. I'm so pleased to invite, we can get ready, Marilyn Reamer, Executive Director for the American Council of Engineering Companies of Colorado. Marilyn, will you please come up here? They're the grand prize winner. Our judges unanimously agreed that ACEC of Colorado clearly showed that it could benefit greatly from winning this makeover, and their progress can also help the engineering community. That industry has been hard hit by the economic woes, and this program will provide the industry, via ACEC of Colorado, with an extra boost. An important facet of the judging was to see how ACEC could benefit from all the different prizes and solutions available in the grand prize package. They passed the test. So Marilyn, if you would just say a few words, and then we'll be able to pass the mic.
Thanks, Debbie. Bill. On behalf of ACEC Colorado, I want to thank CMIT Solutions, Microsoft, and all the partners. I've had a chance to meet a couple already, and I'm very excited to work with all of you. ACEC is a trade association for consultant engineers in private practice. We address the business interests of all of our members, and that's engineering across the whole gamut: transportation, water, wastewater, structural, environmental, mechanical, electrical. A lot of those firms have businesses. There are an organization of small businesses, over 25 or 50% of our members are 25 people or less. We're statewide. We have about 230 firms that employ about 11,000 people through the state. And as an organization, in trying to address these business interests, that's watching what's happening in the legislature, especially, professional development, that's creating liaisons with different state agencies and local agencies to improve our quality of life for everybody in all of our communities. This technology package is really going to help. We have been talking about technology and how we needed to evaluate everything, so this came at a key time for us. Got me to put it all on paper instead of in our heads. Social media will be a big part of it when we talk. Our owners, our principals, our members are principals and owners of the firm. So when I say Facebook, we need to look at social media. Facebook, they say that's what my kids do. That's not something I do. You know, but we do know that social media is important for the firms to become acquainted with it and use it to promote the firms, to use it as tools as they work with different agencies, etc. So they're going to enjoy what we learn and we can pass it on to them. So we're very excited and thank all of the sponsors of this event.
Thank you all very much. We appreciate the support, especially of Mayor Hart and the Glendale Chamber, as always. We thank you. And should I pass the baton?
Is anybody not a member of the Glendale Chamber of Commerce in this room?
This would be a really good time to join.
Windows 7.
Microsoft, you want to say it's generously. So Microsoft has generously donated Windows 7, the really good software that's worth a few $100s. Anybody that joins today, the Glendale Chamber of Commerce. So we appreciate that.
Join again.
No, I asked about renewing. Thanks.
Awesome, you guys. That's like a $50,000 package that you want, Marilyn. That's really cool.